Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can protect your rims from rusting. So I have here the liquid spray wax, and all that you have to do is spray this thing on the rims like this. That's it, and use a good quality cotton cloth, must be clean. Just gently rub it. And that's it. You can do the same on the other side. So this will actually spread the liquid all over the rim uniformly, and then you can use some good quality cloth to clean it again. Shines very nice. So I'm bringing another cloth. This one is clean and dirt free. Now this will form a coating over the rim surface and will not allow any moisture or water to stay on the surface for a very long time. Look how it shines. It shines just like a new bike. It's beautiful. It will not allow any water drops to stay for a long time. And this is the secret that can keep your JAWA rims last forever. It will never rust, it will never corrode, nothing will happen. You can also use the same for cleaning other chrome parts like the exhaust or the suspensions. Wait for 5 minutes and then wipe it off. Rub it very gently, no need to be harsh, and that's it. Shines like new. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.